And this gonna be very funny. I went on YouTube and I searched how to become rich in 2018.
I like it.
So various things came out: real estate, drop shipping, pyramid schemes, and then trading. So when I started searching, the one that offered me the basic entry level was trading.
Gates Adams here on behalf of Apex Trader Funding. I'm here today with trader Mustafa, who's another paid funded trader with Apex Trader Funding. Mustafa, first and foremost, congratulations on the recent payout. How's everything going?
Thank you. I'm good. Thank you.
Excellent. Excellent. So now, is this the first payout for you?
No, I've got a couple of payouts. On the last count, I might be up to 10.
10 payouts. Very nice. Okay, so you've not just gotten paid out, you've developed a level of consistency that's getting you paid. So that's yet another milestone that we didn't really get a chance to celebrate the first one by itself, so we'll celebrate it all together. So let's talk a little bit about your journey. How long have you been at this? How long have you been trading?
I actually got into trading in 2018. I used to work for the state, so I was actually trying to see how I could transition from working for a paycheck actually working for myself. So I went on YouTube, and this gonna be very funny. I went on YouTube and I searched how to become rich in 2018.
I like it.
So various things came out: real estate, drop shipping, pyramid schemes, and then trading. So when I started searching, the one that offered me the basic entry level was trading. Okay, you could open a brokerage account, put $100 in it, and then you start trading. I'm like, it sounds good. So I opened my first brokerage account, and obviously you know what happens.
We have all been there.
Yeah, I started with options. I make a little bit of money, then I close the account, then I waited a week again, and then I over again, put some $200 in it. Started learning. I did have a breakthrough in options because I made big money in options.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. There was like a week or 2 weeks that I made almost $38,000.
Wow. Okay, so that's big.
On a 3,500 investment.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah, because that was my first experience, it got over my shoulder. And then I started playing big, and then I lost half of the money. You know how it goes, and then before you know it, things get so rough, and then I lost the account.
Right.
I gave it a break for like 6 months. Then I came back when I saw a YouTuber. His name is called Patrick Whelan.
Patrick, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Then I saw Patrick Whelan. I followed his story from penny stocks to options to now futures. I'm like, I think this sounds interesting. By watching his videos, following his techniques of trading.
Sure.
Then I started with another prop firm before I now move into Apex. It's been a good journey from Apex.
There you go, man. Well, that's exciting. So it started off with how do I get rich, right?
Yes.
This has been, what are we talking about now? 7 years or so going through this process. Now, when people Google how to get rich, I think the idea is that get rich quick. And we know trading is not a get rich quick opportunity. And you had some successes along the way, but what kept you going down this road through the struggles, through the challenges, through the lost accounts and everything that you've gone through up until now?
Yes, I found it was very easy for me when I started with Apex. I already have experience about technical analysis. I actually got 3 payouts from my first PA account. I went in, got my PA, got my first payout, second payout, and third payout. So when I lost the account, it dawned on me that there is more to trading than just technical analysis, and then in my research, I actually bumped on another YouTuber called Harmony Trader.
Okay.
Where he was discussing something about psychology. And that sounds very interesting to me. Like, I think I found a missing piece. Yeah. The moment I bump on psychology, that was the turning point for me.
Gotcha. And I think that for most traders, that usually becomes the turning point once they figure out that this is more of a head game than an analytical game. I mean, analysis is important for sure. You got to have some sort of an entry, but it's when you can start driving the actions that ultimately will make you more successful versus being impulsive, making trades based on fear. So how long did it take you to put that piece of the puzzle together to where it was actually an effective tool for you?
Yes, it took me a while. I actually gone between January 2024 and January 2025 without a payout. And within those time frame, I lost 30 PAs.
Okay.
With no single payout.
Wow, that hurts.
Yeah, that was a wild moment for me. But the thing I know is I'm not going to quit trading. That was something in my mind that I was not going to quit trading.
Right.
Because aside from the financial benefits, trading through psychology has helped me discover a whole lot about myself. So the financial aspect on one side, personal life development.
I've often referred to trading as kind of a mirror. What you see in yourself in your regular life will affect your trading, and vice versa. What you see in yourself as a trader will affect the rest of your life.
Absolutely.
And I think it's a great empowering thing if we take it the right way. I mean, we can mess up with that for sure.
Yes.
But if we take it the right way and we approach it with a more, I'm really going to try to develop this side of me, yes, it can have far-reaching impacts, not just in your bank account, but in your relationships, in every other aspect of your life. So at this point, what's next for you? You've had your 10 payouts, you've had some consistency. Where do you go from here?
Right now, I'm building a business around trading. And when I say business, I don't mean YouTube, selling courses. I'm treating trading like someone said, when you open a restaurant business, you have a payroll, you have expenses, you have income, you have all sort of a building blocks to make it work.
Sure.
So that's the way I'm treating trading right now. Every single thing about my trading now is documented.
Beautiful.
Expenses, payouts, journaling, everything I do is different from, you just do it. No.
Right.
Now it's structured and documented.
Which makes it more meaningful, and you can actually take guidance from that documentation to help you become even more successful. Yes. I love it, man. Mustafa, yes, this is great. I love your approach to trading. Obviously, this has been working for you. I would really love to catch up a few months down the line and just really see where this journey continues to take you. It sounds like you're moving down the right path.
Yes. And actually, before from the last time that the interview was scheduled, I've actually gotten 2 more payouts of
I love it.
5,200.
Beautiful. That consistency really pays off. Well, keep doing what you're doing. I'm so excited to see your continued growth and success. Let's do an update. Let's let everybody know how you're continuing to grow, okay?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure. Thank you, Mustafa. We'll talk to you soon, man.
Thank you.